Guys, have a guess where I am. I am in Green Lane, North London. We'll be trying Turkish today. Most cases, Turkish food are grilled and they actually give you like a starter, bread, salad, and the most famous stuff is Turkish delights, baklavas, and Turkish tea. So we're gonna give it a go. Let's go. So we are in Green Lane, a really busy street. We're looking for a Turkish place. So I'm just gonna walk down. So we finally found. We're gonna go to Selale, Turkish. Look at this. They have dessert as well. So let me show you the dessert part. Next to each other. But first I'm gonna give it a go on the food. I enjoy Turkish food. This is the place I'm from. So that's inside. Look at this. It looks really nice actually. Beautiful place. Just seated. We're about to order. Let's see. So we've been served salad and bread with a bit of sauce, as you can see. I'm now going to give it a go with the bread. Sauce is really creamy with onion and a few other vegetables in there. Those fresh salad looks really nice. It's going to be in trouble. These are all different type of mez. Bismillah. I'm going to try some of these. I'm a great fan of hummus. I'm gonna give a go on this as well. Let's see. What's that? And then I'm gonna try the pink one as well. Hummus. So finally our food has arrived. Look at this. That looks good, right? We've ordered lamb. A little bit more coming. Look at this. This looks really good. Look at this. These are chicken shish, kofta, and then you got grill wings. This is chicken doner and there's lamb doner in there as well too. This is the grill lumi. Bismillah. Lamatoon. Just rip it apart. I'm going to dip it into a little bit of chili sauce. Lamatoon is a Turkish pizza with minced meat. Come give it up. It's nice. So lamb rib. Lamb rib. It's nice. Juicy and succulent. And then we have the chicken. Shish. We are still trying to finish this platter. Slowly. We're almost there. Guys, I've ended up with the mountain of food. Look at this. So So I'm now going to try the kofta. Bismillah. This is lamb shish. Guys, this is really good food, quality, tasty. I'm gonna give a go on the kofta. Guys, almost done. Oh my god, this is the wings. Wing. Wing is very tender, juicy. You probably know I'm not going to finish without Turkish tea and baklava. This place is amazing. Service is spot on. It's really good service. This is the outside. Looks really nice. It's just next to the bus stops.